Hello, everybody. I hope you're okay. Let's start our usual analysis. Tomorrow we have a CPI news. So we go. Also, there's some heavy impact news on CAD and some other currencies as well, NZD and GBP. So tomorrow will be very volatile day and very good opportunities for good traders. So let's start what's happening in terms of Forex Factory, what kind of news we have and how we can benefit from them. And as you can see, we are mainly interested in USD heavy impact news because we normally trade on gold. So these are 1:30 p.m. We got 6 p.m. medium impact news. And if you are interested in CAD, then affects gold price for short period down normally when we're doing Forex. Just give some movement for a very short moment of time, so you can get the benefit if you are trading. Right. And in terms of CPI, let's see what it says here. We have expectations are 0.3% from previously it's 1%. So it says here actually greater than 4 for forecast is good for currency. So, and similarly CPI YY is actually greater than forecast is good for currency. And also the CPI, core CPI MM is actually greater than for forecast. Forecast is good for currency. So all of them is greater and good for currency than if they are greater than what they're expected. So if they're positives, good for currency, meaning gold should come down. And if they're negative, bad for currency, meaning gold should go up. Now looking at Dixie going down very sharply. So this is a daily chart, and you can see this sharp movement, and even in weekly and monthly as well. Let's go 4 hours, see what's happening in 4 hours. And we can see movement to the downside. So I'm expecting this movement further to these levels. However, we may have some retracements. So currently it has broken the 1 hour level here. So meaning the price may even go down further. So next possible level is this one. And let's see how the prices behave. So we can have some retracement until the price come to the 100 level, 100.57. And then further levels are here, 100.27. And so on. If we go in daily further, there are some levels, and if this last level is broken, we got some goes even further down. So we're not interested at this moment of time because we are expecting the movement to these levels. However, if it goes back to the upside, which is highly unlikely, but if it does, we look for the sell opportunity in gold, provided with other indications, not just for this, because trading is the name of probability. If we find probability, especially in the direction of trend, or if trend is reversing, we find the probability in the opposite side of directions of the trend. So these could be the levels if the markets go to the upside. But let's see, and so on. You can put different levels. In smaller time frames, scalping, you can put further levels at even 5 minutes. I leave this to you guys. The point is that we can have good opportunity tomorrow because of the news. Here are some levels which I made day before yesterday, and last day's 11th July was not a very good day in terms of trading because there's not many opportunities. Hence, I don't usually forecast or do my analysis on the day when I think there's not much opportunity in the market. So a day before yesterday, as you can see, these are the levels were previously drawn, and the market broke this level, respected it, and went to the upside, and we had this good opportunity. And we respected this, came down, retest this broken level here. This level was retested. On this candle, we have opportunity to buy. And there's another rejection here. And yesterday morning was a good trade, but I don't normally trade the morning session. But so I didn't trade. So for today, for the 12th of July, what is the situation now? So going to daily, we know that we are in bullish trend in daily, and we got 4-hour morning star here as well. Let me put new levels here so we can have some idea. Right, these are the possible levels, guys. Let's see how market will behave these level, react on these levels, and we can put even in smaller time frame. You can put more nice levels here. So at the moment, probably this is not a good trading area, and this is, we can put one zone here, 15 minutes, and you want to go in smaller time frame. You can look any opportunities, but I would not recommend that, especially when the volatility is not much. Only volatility we find at the news time, near the news time, or after the news time. News trading is, be careful with news trading, guys, tomorrow. So because at news time, market behave very unexpectedly sometime, not always. So you have to manage your risk accordingly. So these are the levels for different time frames, and the market is forming a consolidation here, and we can expect some sort of trading opportunity here. The line is broken to the upside or to the downside in smaller time frame. Probably best not to trade here. So let's see, guys, how it goes. I hope this is helpful. And if you have any questions, comments, please do contact me. Thank you. Bye-bye.